In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear engine splash shield on this BMW X5. This is going to be located underneath the vehicle, just underneath the front doors. Let's get into it. Underneath the running board area, there's these push pins. You want to pop those out. Just use a trim tool. If you can get underneath them, you can try it that way, or just get under the running board. Just pop those out like that. They're just plastic. Do that. Sometimes they just pop out. All right, take all those out. Using a 10mm socket, take these nuts out. And with the same 10mm socket, there's a bolt right here. Take that out. Now we're going to use a 8mm socket. Take these screws out. Just using a trim tool. Get underneath the panel in the front just to take that off the stud there. Get that out of the way. And you can grab this panel, pull it down a little bit, and we're just going to slide it up. And that comes right out. Now take the new panel, slide it underneath in the front. Underneath the running board, get that lined up, get the stud lined up in the front, and the other studs, get those lined up. Now get these screws started. These front ones. We're just getting those started. And this bolt on the side here. Once those are all started, we can tighten those down. Snug those down. Snug these down. Take the nuts. And you can tighten those down. Just snug. Now take the push pins on the side, get those lined up, and lock them in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.